ka meeta, where it's winter time and we all want to eat something hot, spicy and crunchy. Well, today's recipe is going to fulfill that wish of yours. I'm going to cook chana and moong dal pakora, or simply lentil pakora, my style. So let's get started.
You will need 1 cup of moong dal or split and skinned yellow lentil, half a cup of chana dal or split chickpeas, 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, 2 green chillies finely chopped, 1 small fresh bunch of coriander finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, salt to taste. Soak the lentils in water for around 3 to 4 hours. Soaking the lentil overnight gives best results. In a mixer jar, add the lentils, chillies, ginger and grind it to a rough thick paste with very little water. Check out the consistency. It has to be thick. Remove the mixture in a bowl and add the fresh coriander, coriander powder, red chilli powder, salt. Mix well and keep it aside. In a wok, heat oil and start putting small portions of the mixture one by one. Fry till golden brown. You need to place these pakoras adjacent to each other so that they get fried evenly. You can see how they have turned out to be. Don't they look yummy? That's it, and your crunchy tasty pakoras are ready. Serve hot with tomato ketchup or green chutney. If you have liked this video, give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next, ciao!